We support two forms of account creation. So you can just go to login here. One is Google sign in, and second is any email you can add here and you'll get a login link. Now here we only support official emails, no temporary domains or personal email. So Outlook and other all are supported in this case. I'll go ahead and sign in with Google using here. Once you sign in, you will go through an onboarding flow. Couple of things on the navigation standpoint here. So your balance is here, which is number of minutes remaining. You can upgrade your account from here in change plans. So one of our popular plan is monthly premium plan, which gives you access to all our top features, including Google Meet deployment, phone calling, and other. We have a sidebar navigation, so you can look at pre-created scenarios, courses, coaches, which has memory and all from sidebar. One thing I forgot adding in the case of login is that when you use the email login, in that case, the email can also land in spam. So make sure you look in the spam folder to get the link to login. And the last thing here is the documentation. So all of the data that all of the use cases and all and details you could find in the documentation. So feel free to check it out. Let us know in comment if you have any question. Thank you so much.